Yo, some dudes are a little slow, bro. And by the way, I don't blame you because this comes with experience. See, a lot of times women will throw out these mating signals, these signals that are letting you know, yo, I'm ready to mate, right? I'm in heat type of thing. Most guys ignore those. Or the worst part is you'll see a certain sign and you think that they're telling you something when really you're just overreading into it. See, today I'm gonna go over 5 mating signals most guys get wrong. Tap into this. Number 1, she looks over at you. See, this one's so easy to misinterpret. Just because she looked over at you once doesn't necessarily mean that this girl's crazy for you. However, if you guys locked eyes and you held that contact for about 1, 2, maybe even 3 seconds, and then you both looked away, bro, that's when you know that was mating. You're gonna have that girl thinking you two just ran into soulmates and she's the main character of her own film. That's the type of connection you need to act upon. Let's say that happened at the grocery store or at a coffee shop. You can let her do her own thing. Try to catch up with her right before she leaves and tell her that it was destiny. Bro, come on, man. Number 2, the smile. And see, again, just like the stare, not all smiles are equal. See, if she smiles at you more like a grin, like everything's tense up, like forced, yeah, she probably feels awkward or feels threatened by you. There's no sexual interest there. However, you can easily test it by you smiling back. See, if you're unsure, give her a nice smile back. If she also shows you the pearly whites, maybe she looks away, she plays with her hair, she looks down, that's your mating call. This is the call that is letting you know there is some interest that you need to act upon. But here's the thing, bro. If you're gonna show off your pearly whites, they better be pearly white. If that thing's all dirty, messed up, filled with black, yellow, bro, might as well wrap it up and get the hell out of there. The easiest thing you can do to get those pearly whites, just upgrade your toothbrush. Bro, our toothbrush from Heat Grooming, it's gonna level your smile up. It has 30,000 RPMs, which is basically revolutions per minute, which means that for every minute that you're brushing your teeth, you're getting 30,000 brush strokes. That's gonna be the most efficient teeth cleaning you're gonna ever get. And if you do that daily, twice a day, bro, you're basically making sure all sorts of plaque buildup get removed. So I'm gonna hook it up for you guys. I did say it has 30,000 RPMs, right? Yeah, let's make the discount the same thing. I'm gonna do a 30% discount on the toothbrush only, right? This is not a Heat Grooming sale. Nobody else knows. This is just for the viewers right now. For the dudes that want the pearly whites, the dudes that wanna level up their toothbrush game. 30% off, 24 hours. I don't think there's a lot in inventory. I think there's only like 100 toothbrushes left, which means this is probably gonna fly. If you guys wanna check it out, there's gonna be a link down below. Use that special code on the toothbrush only. You're gonna get 30% off. It is a steal for an electric toothbrush. And here's the best part. Once you buy our Heat toothbrush, you'll never have to buy another toothbrush again because all you gotta do is replace the toothbrush heads, which we also carry, and that's crazy affordable. So you're basically buying a toothbrush for life that's gonna give you that white smile. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, she texts you first. Again, easily getting confused. A lot of times you'll hear guys tell you, oh, if she texts you first, she's interested. Not necessarily. Not if you're the nice guy. And if you don't realize that you're the nice guy, you don't got that self-awareness, you could be getting played because she's only texting you for validation or a little attention while the guy that she's really interested in is outside having fun. That's when she comes to you. So you need to kind of assess, right? Is she texting you sporadically? Does she text you at random hours, like at 12 in the morning or something random? When you guys text, does it seem forced? Does she never agree to meet up? Yeah, her texting you first, she just wants you to put her on a pedestal and make her feel good, bro. Number 4, I call it post-breakup behavior. See, this is what some other dudes call it a woman's hoe face, right? She's trying to get back at her ex. She's spiteful against her ex. So what? You become a pawn in the queen's game. Bro, you never want to be the pawn. You're the king at every chess game, including life. The kings are the ones that every woman wants, the ones that every woman respects. Do not be a pawn just to get a little attention from the girl you like. See, most of the time, she's just doing this to get back at her ex. You're just that pawn. So if she's constantly referencing her ex, comparing her to your ex, bringing up how toxic her ex was, yeah, she's not over him, bro. And she's just using you to get her mind off. And finally, boys, numbers 5, she responds to you. See, a lot of guys get mixed signals thinking, oh, she responded to my DM, she must be interested. I want you to understand something. If a woman is above a 7, like heavy caliber, she's actually pretty, this girl at minimum has 20 dudes in her DMs, at minimum. And girls love validation, so they'll respond to most of them. They'll engage with most of them to test the water. So just because she engaged with you does not make it special. Yeah, she might have opened the door, but it's yours to actually close that deal and understand and always go in there knowing there's other dudes competing against you. That's why you always have to have that abundance mindset. And don't put all your eggs in freaking Emma. There's also Vanessa. Yo, Jennifer's also looking good too. See, you need to have multiple contacts so you're not overstressing over one girl that has like 8 other options. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget our heat grooming sale for that toothbrush, 30% off. It's only going to be 24 hours. Bro, if you've been trying to upgrade, like, now's the time. I'd click that link down below. See you guys next time.